All right, here I am with this burger press. It's also great if you have some bacon so it doesn't curl up. I'm gonna show you both with the burger and the bacon on my skillet here in a second, but it is a nice, large, heavy-duty stainless steel press with a wood handle. Easy to clean, easy to wash, and I'll show you how to use it in a minute. Right, here I am just making bacon on my griddle or my skillet here, and it's kind of curling up. So go ahead and use your grill press to keep it straight. Another thing, got my burger here. You can make a smash burger. Perfect burger every time. I think you're gonna love this grill press. Nice and heavy, 8 inches. A lot of different uses.